Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Daisha. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video, period. Ciao. Hey y'all, good morning. Today I am waking up. I just literally grabbed my camera. I've done some scrolling on my phone, but I'm just gonna do like a monthly reset video. Anyway, yeah, we got some stuff to do this morning today, so I'm just bring y'all along or let y'all see. Stay tuned. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Good morning. You threw your pillow on the floor. Good morning, bedheads. Morning. Alex. Thank you. Good morning. How'd you sleep, kid?
Child, let's get right into it. I know you see this room. Okay, we're not even really about to, yeah, okay, period. This is what I like. Got my life together, okay. Still got some toys on the floor because you know I'm a toddler mom. It's gonna happen. It's never gonna be 100% clean, but 98 is cool. Alright, so now we're moving over to my son's room. Remember that paper ripping stage I told you about? Yeah, it's a little bit of paper on the floor, but we about to straighten this up, okay. And yeah, period. We got it right, okay. Son is eating breakfast and whatnot. Now we about to fast forward.
Did you have a good breakfast?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put some conditioner because I don't know, I'm acting like this is a voiceover video. I feel like it might partially be, but not all of it. And if you see that I don't have edges or whatever, go watch my shorts video. It's not a question. I don't have edges, you guys. But it's okay because my growth oil has been fixing it. I didn't even have like this. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all before and after pictures. I'm about to put this conditioner in this water. And I'm gonna pre-poo my hair. I'm about to mix this Aussie in here as well. Oh shit, oops. I haven't used this conditioner. I was actually really excited to try it, but I don't do my hair like I'm supposed to. So, alright, so y'all just sit back, get your popcorn, whatever. I'm gonna play some music and I'm gonna just start doing my hair. Oh my god. This is what I be hiding under my wigs, y'all. And it's not bad, it's just literally the maintenance, bro. It's the maintenance. Okay. So I'm gonna put my hair in 4 sections. I feel like I need to try to clean my SD card off before I do this video, like I really do. But oh my god, my eye. You know, why not live life on the edge? Yeah. Okay, but to like really give y'all a rundown, when I was little, my edges have always been like mad thin, like for like this, literally, like my whole life. I could always grow hair like in my perimeter. Don't let me lie to you, because it's been snatched out like by wigs and stuff. But I learned how to install my wigs better, so I don't really have that issue no more. I just didn't focus on my growth like I was supposed to. But if I was to show y'all the before and after, I'm doing good. But anyway, yeah, I would go to the doctor when I was little and they would tell me that I have eczema in my hair, which is not true. And I know that for a fact because like my hair doesn't have any other problems growing anywhere else. And it's not super dry. Like my hair literally has been in these twists, y'all, for 3 to 4 months. Don't ask me how I don't have locks. I kind of almost did. Hair was in twist for like 3 to 4 months. it's not dry. Like, it's really not dry. Like, it has a little bit of dryness to it, but honestly, truly, it's not dry, and I really appreciate that. I appreciate that so much. I'm just gonna wet this and start detangling. This water and conditioner method is very good. My camera's about to die, so when this is all detangled, I'll just come back to y'all.
This is my hair with no stretch off. If I was to do a wash and go, I'd probably dry short and do it. Should just be real. Don't let nobody tell you different.
Alright, y'all, so I finished detangling it so I can wash it or whatever. This is the results of the detangle. My scalp feels so much more accessible. Let me show y'all this shrinkage though. Hold up. Yo, what? Stop playing with your girl. Stop playing with her. While people be talking so much trash about people that wear wigs, be talking about they bald headed, y'all. I am partially bald headed. Partially, that's it, just partially. So I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm not gonna film it in this video because I'm gonna show y'all like in a different video my wash day routine or whatever. But let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back to you guys when I'm gonna condition it and style it. Period. Okay, y'all, so I finished washing my hair. I have it wrapped up in this t-shirt instead of a towel because I don't know, I feel like towels cause more damage. So I'm about to go through and I'm gonna put my leave-in conditioner in. This is the Main Attraction Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, so I'm about to use that. And then when I actually finish my twist, I'm gonna be using the Main Attraction Hair Growth Oil. And you guys can get these products yourself also. You guys can get your products yourself of the Main Attraction in my description down below. And you can also use my code for 10% off, period. Oh, I look like Annie. My hair is already put in sections, so that's good. I'll take it about that much. Probably gonna need more than that, but I don't know the consistency of this conditioner, so trying it out. It smells good, actually. It smells really good.
My trust in you. What will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you're pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get
my camera cut off, but I wasn't about to stop or be filming without y'all. So I'm putting the conditioner in my hair. Well, I've already put conditioner in this side. I just gotta oil it now. And then I'm gonna start styling my hair. I'm really not even gonna style it for real, y'all. I'm really literally gonna put 2-strand twist in it and put my wig back on. I'm weak, I'm sorry. Dead end. My hair's pretty even though, to say I lost all that dead hair. Proud of you, babe. Look at you, all healthy and thick and even. Don't say nothing about me not having edges. No, for real, y'all. Let me tell y'all, like, let me take time out of this video, show you guys. So this has been something I've dealt with for real since I was a kid. Like, But as y'all can see, it's starting to like fill in and spot in, and I'm gonna tell you why. This right here, this has been my holy grail. This right here, for real. And you can get some if you want in the description down below. But yeah, this has been me since I literally could remember, y'all. You don't need that much, but I did just put a lot because y'all, I want another tattoo so bad. I'm trying to hold it off. I'm trying so hard to hold off. I'm trying to give myself like a month or two. See, it's not that bad for real. Well, I don't know about to y'all, but like all this was gone. Like this, I wasn't able to even have this before. All that was gone, so we're getting somewhere. I'm really proud of myself though for showing you guys this, because when I say like I've kind of struggled my whole life with being comfortable to show me, like the real me like that, I have. But let's go ahead and get started on styling, because yeah, I'm gonna put it in 4 sections like it was. That conditioner, that leave-in conditioner, it smells so good mixed with that oil, and my hair is so moisturized. If you guys want to see some like natural hair styling videos, I'll show you guys how I work around styling my hair with my edges being the way that they are. Who knows, maybe that'll be a whole new like section of content that I start doing. Natural hair content, but for my girlies with the thin edges. Okay, so I'm gonna take this section and I'm gonna split this section into 2. The same way I did earlier. Basically, I split my hair into 4 sections and then I split each section into 2. Okay, so I'm gonna put this curling smoothie on here. I'm gonna really, oh shit, kind of just focus on my ends too, because I'm twisting my ends up. And yeah, I'm gonna split this into 2. And then I'm gonna twist. And then I'm just gonna time lapse this and show y'all.
Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Sure look good in the moonlight. Why this nigga so bad, man? Spotlight, moonlight, nigga, why you tripping? Get your mood right. Sure look good in the moonlight. So bad, man? Spotlight.
Alright, I'm not gonna use my camera storage like this, so once I get like halfway through my head, I'll come back to y'all. Ciao. I had to take a snack break. Okay. So I said I was gonna come to y'all when I got halfway finished. I'm more than halfway finished now. I'm gonna come back again when I do this. I might film some of it, might do a little time lapse. I don't know. I'm just ready to get done, child. Almost finished. I have one more twist left. And then I might go through and like separate some, because I don't know if I'm planning on doing any mini twist styles. I probably won't, but just to be on the safe side, my hair will be parted correctly so I can. And I'm about to do this last one. And we are done, babe. I'm so glad to be done. Oh my god. I'm about to make this one smaller. I'm about to twist that into its own twist. So this is the final result of my monthly reset. No, I'm lying. I still got stuff to do. I'm about to go sit under the dryer a little bit, let these dry, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all when I'm actually getting dressed for the day.
24 hours later.
Seeing you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. us from the distance. I think we should rule out the commitment for now, cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to leave it. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. You keep falling apart.
Thank you for spending a day with me while I came back to life, child. I still gotta put my lashes on, but I don't feel like putting them on right now, so I'm just gonna kind of leave it like this. I was gonna do my nails too, but I don't know if I'm going bowling or not, so it's no point in doing my nails. But I love y'all, period. I'll talk to y'all later. Hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new video, period. Ciao. Bye, y'all.